Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn prime and composite numbers. These are related with the factors. Now in previous classes we learned factors, common factors. Now with the help of that, which number are prime, which number is prime or composite, how to find the given numbers which are prime, which are composite, how to find out. Now first we have to learn what are prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, one and itself. What are those? One and itself are called prime numbers. See, example 3. Then, what are the factors of 3? 1 3s are 3. That's all. Anything not there. Then, what are the factors? 1 and 3. Means 1 and itself. The numbers which has only two factors, one and itself, one number and itself means same number. Those are called prime numbers. Then another one, 31. 131s are 31. Any table not goes in that. We can't divide with any number. Then this is also prime number because 1 and 31. Two factors only. Those are 1 and itself. That's why 31 also prime number. Now, prime number means which has only two factors. Those are 1 and itself. Now, prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? 25 prime numbers are there. What are those? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 40, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53. 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now remaining all are composite. But one is neither prime nor composite. Because 1 has only one factor. 1, how to write 1 ones are? Means only one factor. That's why it is neither prime nor composite. Now, composite numbers. The numbers which has more than two factors. More than two. Here prime number only two factors. Composite number more than two factors are called composite numbers. Suppose if you take 12. What are the factors? 1 12, 2 6, 3 4. Now how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are there. Then it is a composite number. Example 12. Suppose example 16. 1 16, 2 8s, 4 4s. Now how many factors? 6 factors. Then it is also composite number. How many composite numbers between 1 to 100? Here 25 are there. Then 74 composite numbers between 1 and 100. 74 composite numbers and 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many composite numbers? 74. How many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Because here 74 plus 25 how much? 99. But I told 1 to 100. Then 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is not a prime, it is not a composite. That's why 25 prime, 74 composite, 99. Now, next point, twin primes. Two prime numbers that have only one composite number between them are called twin primes. Suppose if any two prime numbers, if you have to take from number of prime numbers, there between only one composite number, those two primes we call twin primes. Example 3 5. Now 3 5. In the middle only 4 is there. Then it is one pair of twin primes. Next 5, 7. In the middle, what is the composite number? 6. 11, 13. Composite number 12. Next, 17, 19. 18 is only one composite number. That means here, when two prime numbers between only one composite number, those primes we call twin primes. Now, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers having only two factors, 1 and itself. Composite numbers having more than two factors. Now, what are the prime factors between 1 to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, like that. Now, remaining all are composite. But 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now, see, what is the least prime number? 2. What is the least prime number? 2. See, did you observe in this all the prime numbers? One thing, that is all are odd numbers. Only 2 is a even number. Then only one even number in prime numbers, that is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Remaining all are odd numbers. What is the smallest composite number? Now, composite number starts with 4. Composite number starts with 4. Now, composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, like that. Now, what is the smallest composite number? 4. What is the smallest composite number? 4. What is the least prime number? 2. What is the odd prime number? Least odd prime number? 3. What is the least odd composite number? 9. Like that, we have so many points. Now, prime number, last main points. Prime number has only two factors. Composite has more than two factors. One is neither prime nor composite. Twin primes means what? If only one composite number between two primes, those two primes called twin primes. Now, how many composite numbers are there in from 1 to 100? 74. How many prime numbers? 25. Now, these are the composite and prime numbers.